This lecture is dedicated to Amazon research. I mentioned in an earlier lecture that you're going to have a lot more success by selling what people are actively looking to buy. It is so obvious, yet it is lost on many people who attempt to sell on Amazon and on other places. First, I want to help you gauge customer demand, right? If you can tell what they're buying, it's a lot easier to know to sell that. A lot of people didn't know you can actually see what is in demand on Amazon. I'm going to show you how to gauge that. BSR, or best sellers rank, is the most valuable data point that Amazon shows us, okay? It is a numeric value, and every product in Amazon's catalog has a BSR if it has sold, okay? So you see people calling it BSR for short. It is the best sellers rank. And as it sounds, every category has a bestseller, right? If I go to the clothing category, there's a number one bestseller. If I go to the books category, there's a number one best-selling book, right? So in a category, though, there's only one bestseller. The second bestseller, generating the second most sales, it has a BSR of 2. The third best, BSR of 3. The lower the BSR, the better. You know, the best case scenario is that you have a BSR of 1 and you're number 1 in a category, but it's super rare on Amazon to get anywhere close to that. Me and you just being normal people trying to sell, print on demand products on Amazon, it's not realistic. But what we can do is we can use the BSRs of products that are already on Amazon's catalog to gauge how well they are selling, and really at a high level evaluate entire print on demand niches, meaning design niches as a whole at a glance. I'm going to show you how to do that. And I also wanted to show you that you can actually click a product page and scroll down to the product details and you can see the bestseller rank. But I have 2 Chrome extensions that are both free that I want to recommend you check out. The first one is DS Amazon Quick View. Now what it does, you can see with these arrows, is it will put product BSRs in the search results on Amazon. So then you don't need to click the product itself and scroll down to the product details because that takes time, right? Time is money. What it'll do is it'll put the BSR in search results. So you can just perform a keyword search on Amazon. Like let's say I want to sell a fishing shirt. I might type in fishing shirt or fishing t-shirt. All I have to do is scroll through the search results and look at the BSRs, the numbers underneath each product. The numbers, again, are on a relative basis. So let's say that this is your research and you're saying, should I sell fishing shirts or should I sell pickleball shirts? Well, what you can do is type both into Amazon searches after you install DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension for free. Scroll through the whole page and get an idea of what the average BSR looks like for a fishing shirt. Then get an idea of what the average BSR looks like for pickleball shirt. Which one has a lower average BSR? Perhaps you should pursue that niche because it probably represents a better opportunity with more sales. Now, unfortunately, also competition factors in. Amazon is not good about showing us our true competition. They actually make a point out of not telling us our real competition. They used to give us better data. Now they obfuscate it. They hide it. Like it'll say something like, this is number 1 through 40 of over 10,000 results or of over 1,000 results. So they keep it they keep it hidden. So obviously competition factors in, but before you worry about competition, worry about finding pockets of opportunity that are validated. No need to guess. Use DS Amazon Quick View, type a keyword into the search bar and scroll through the page 1 of results. Page 1's probably as far as I would go, to the bottom of page 1, and use that as your guide. Additionally, you can do some research into what people are typing into the search bar using the free AMZ Suggestion Expander Chrome extension. So you might type in this case, you can see in the screenshot, board games, and you see keywords before that are being searched. So kids board games, adult board games, family board games. You also see keywords after, board games for 6-year-olds. Keywords between, board and card games, board war games. And you just see the general expansion of the autocomplete on Amazon. So it's a nice way to data mine Amazon using data that they make available to us in the autocomplete to see maybe extensions of niches which also these are going to be really valuable insights to use when it comes to our product listing optimization, our SEO, our search engine optimization. What keywords do we want to include in our title, for instance? So we may type in like funny fishing shirt, and AMZ Suggestion Expander may say for dad, funny fishing shirt for dad. And it's like, oh, okay. So a lot of people are typing this into Amazon search bar thinking they want to buy this shirt as a gift for their dad. We should gear our designs to that crowd, right? Make them funny designs that a dad would like. So that's sort of a thing, guys. So check out these free Chrome extensions.